Hey everyone, welcome back to LearnWeb Academy. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use Elementor templates, including blocks, pages, and how to customize them like a pro. This is one of the biggest time-saving features in Elementor, and once you learn it, building websites becomes 10 times faster. Instead of designing everything from scratch, Elementor gives you beautiful pre-designed sections and entire pages that you can insert with just one click. So let's dive in and see how they work. What are Elementor templates? Elementor templates are ready-made designs you can import into your page. These include blocks, individual sections like hero section, services, about, testimonials, contact, and pricing tables. Pages, complete page layout such as home page, about us page, services page, landing page, portfolio page, and contact us page. Templates save time, improve design quality, and give you a strong starting point. How to open template library? To open the template library inside Elementor editor, simply click on this folder icon in the middle of the page. This opens the full library where you will find blocks, pages, templates, and this option to insert your own templates. Using block templates. Let's start with blocks, which are individual sections you can add anywhere on your page, step by step. Open the template library, click on blocks, choose a category, for example, about, archive, benefits, call to action, clients, contact, and many more. For now, let's go with maybe hero. And then click on this insert. You can find option to insert any of these templates. So let's go with this insert. And here you go, you have the block. Customizing block. You can replace the text from here and change the title of the button and add your own link here. You can even change this icons. You can also change the icon over here and add your link here. You can also change the style of these. And for changing image, you have to just go there and replace the image that you have. Like this. It's very simple. Blocks are perfect when you want to build your page one section at a time. Using page templates. Page templates allow you to load a fully designed page with one click. How to use page templates? Go to pages in the template library. Here you can choose any of these. Maybe if I want to go for this one, I can just insert. It will take some time to insert the template and it will get inserted on your site. Okay, and this is our pricing page, for example, and you can see this. Now if you want to change any of the content, you can just do this from here. It's very simple. Same goes with the buttons as well. Here you can change the link of the button and the title. My templates, saving your own sections. Now let's explore this section of the site. For example, if you have already set up a template and you want to save this and use it on any other site, any other part of your website, even want to export it and use it on any other site, you can also do that. Let me show you that. For example, if I am doing a very normal design, for example, and let's give this a padding of 100. And for example, if I want to save this template and I want to give this a title as my design #1, okay, and I will just select the site template and save it. Now it will get saved over here, and if you want, you can also export it from here and use it on any other of your site. For example, if you want to insert this template on this page or any other page, you can just go to this template section and click on this insert option, and it will get inserted on your site. Here you can see that we have 2 of these templates. The way I explained you about exporting your template, you can also import your template. Now let me show you how you can import your templates. This is the option where you can import your template. For example, if you have exported your template from here and this got downloaded, and if you want to import this or any of your other template on this or any other of your site, so you can just import this JSON file and it will get imported. You can see that we have now 2 of these. So yeah, this is how you can do that. Tips to use templates like a pro. Always apply global colors and fonts after inserting a template. So in the previous video, I have already explained you what global colors and global fonts are. If you haven't checked that out, I will recommend you to check that video, so your concept of global colors and global fonts will get clear from there. Don't mix templates from too many styles. Delete unnecessary sections to keep your site light. Customize every block with your branding. Use templates only as a starting point, not the final design. Summary. So to recap, Elementor templates help you design faster by giving you ready-made blocks, beautiful page templates, reusable custom templates. Use them smartly and you will save hours of work. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to use Elementor's template like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to LearnWeb Academy and hit the bell icon for more Elementor tutorials. See you in the next video.